Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 VW Golf GT edition. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the DSG automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 58 miles to the gallon, so good balance there between performance and economy. The insurance group is 19 and the car's covered just over 54,000 miles and comes with good service history. This particular colour is called the metallic deep black, and as you can see, looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we look inside, as you can see, you've got the nice clean interior there, really supportive seats with an armrest there in the centre. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen in the centre there for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has cruise control as well as air conditioning and automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you've got your folding mirror controls as well as your 4 electric window switches. But the best feature I like on the GT edition is you've got the glass opening roof there, so that's ideal for the summer months. Lets in plenty of light. Being the 5-door version, you have good access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents as well. And then I see the car's still got the original VW carpet floor mats as well. And opening the tailgate on the Golf, you have the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. The boot floor is at its lowest point at the moment, but you can raise it slightly to hide valuables underneath if you wish. And then underneath the boot floor, you've also got your space saver wheel as well. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the 17-inch gunmetal grey alloys, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.